Welcome to the December 11th edition of Everyday English Vocabulary Every Day. And our word for today is blizzard. A blizzard is an intense snowstorm or a heavy amount of something. It's possible to have a blizzard of ideas. A blizzard is also the name of an ice cream dish from Dairy Queen, an American fast food chain owned by Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's investment company. Word phrases using blizzard. I got stuck or trapped in a blizzard. We are going to have a blizzard today. In the middle of a blizzard. A blizzard is forecasted for tomorrow. A blizzard in the south or a blizzard in the east. Survived the blizzard. Snowed in during the blizzard. The blizzard disrupted traffic, or the blizzard affected traffic. The road was destroyed in the blizzard, or the road was destroyed by the blizzard, or the road was destroyed during the blizzard. The highway covered in snow from the blizzard. Figuratively, you can say a blizzard of paperwork or a blizzard of bureaucracy. Here's how you use the word. The blizzard was so severe that everything was shut down for 3 days.